What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. Look, if you're looking to start AI and you want to know how to generate images and videos that you can use in your marketing, even if you're a beginner and you want to learn how you can earn $7 commission, $80 commission, $300 commission, up to $500 commission with Self-Made Empire. I want to introduce to you and show you the Self-Made Empire compensation plan and how it works. Now, I'm not going to be the actual one doing it. Stephen is going to do it. So I want you to pay very close attention to this video and how you can do it. Now, I'm going to come back at the end of the video and close it out, and then you can click the link in the description to get started. You can sign up for free. Stephen is going to explain all of that, but you can go ahead on and get in, and so you can start earning income with the Self-Made Empire using the AI Creator Bootcamp. Okay, that's going to help you learn how to create AI images and all of the stuff about AI. I'm a member of this, and I think you're going to get value from this. So with that being said, go ahead on right now, watch the video from Stephen, and I'll be back.
So the entire compensation flow kind of works like this. Everything starts with being SME Plus, right? Because that activates your affiliate status. Because we have members that are just members in the system, right? Which is fine. They're going through those trainings, taking advantage of those different prompts, and learning how to be more consistent. And when it comes to their content, learning how to create videos in YouTube. And we got some other things that we're going to be adding at that level as well. But it's a lot of extreme value there. Okay, and a lot of that training is training that I actually did from my perspective and experience. So it's real training, not fluff. It's not fluff training. It's actually real information that can help you to move forward. And I'm just, explaining my process and how we've been able to do certain things to always stay ahead. Make sense? So it's all good stuff. Now, but at the SME Plus level, it just unlocks everything, and it just unlocks the income potential with the platform. Now, let me show you this. You got SME quick fire funnels. This is like the 30,000 feet view of everything here. So let's just say it's just starting with the quick fire funnels. I mean, it could start anywhere because we got funnels for AI Creator Bootcamp. If you hear me reference AICB, that's just short for AI Creator Bootcamp, AICB. Okay, so if you hear me reference that, you know what that means. So there's a lot of different ways of how you can introduce people to the platform. We've got a free funnel as well where people can just join for free, and then they can upgrade if they want to inside the back office. I'll show you that funnel here in a moment as well. But let's just say someone coming in at the quickfire funnel level. Of course, anytime if they buy any of those funnels, remember you're going to earn a $7 commission right out of the gate, okay, instantly, right? And of course, you're earning 30 to 80% on all premium courses, current and future. Okay, so 30% if you don't have the course, 80% if you do have that course, right? And this goes for future courses as well. So current ones, premium course that we have right now is AI Creator Bootcamp, which is like, I don't know, almost 30 hours worth of training. Not saying you got to do all that in a week. It took me over a month to do it. Okay, so just go over it at your own pace. Let me repeat that. Go over a lot of it at your own pace. You can cherry pick certain things because every module talks about something different. First module is all about AI images. That's it. That's all we talked about in the first module. How to dominate creating images and graphics, even presentations using AI. Okay, that's all we talked about in that module. Module 2 is all about video, one of my favorite subjects. How to create AI videos, avatars, all that stuff related to videos. That's all we talked about in that module. Then module 3 was all about music. Matter of fact, some of the music I was sharing earlier is all generated by AI. Pretty much everything I do now is all about AI. So module 3 is about AI. Module 4 is a lot more about advanced trainings, advanced tools, different things that can help you to even do more when it comes to AI. So we bring it all together in module 4 as well. So a lot of good stuff there. You'll get a chance to see it. So let me come back here. And remember, so you can earn anywhere between $30 and $80. And then, of course, as an SME Plus member, you can add your own income streams. A lot of you got a lot. Hey, guys, we all know this is the era of multiple income streams. I don't know anybody that's really, really doing it that has one stream of income. I don't know anybody. Not saying that you need to do this and do that. I'm just saying we all got affiliate offers. We got some of our own products, right? Own coaching products, and we got this, we got. So you guess what? You can actually highlight all that information in the back office of SME for all your members to see. Okay. And then of course we have the Legacy Pass member. So this helps you to make more money here. And then of course Legacy Pass 20 to 50%, 120 or 300 in commissions, and of course Infinity Pass 20 to 50% depending on if you have it or if you don't have it. You saw how that works, $200 to $500. Now, instant commissions on all these things here. Now, I don't know about your income streams because remember these are your opportunities. So yeah, I don't know how they pay you or whatever. You just make money, when they buy whatever it is that you're promoting, right? But instant commissions on all these products right here. Anytime someone makes a purchase, you get paid. And again, some of the methods you can use to actually get paid from your people that you refer. Obviously, Stripe, Zelle. Of course, we got Cash App. So currently, right now, Stripe, Zelle, and Cash App. Currently, we got Square coming, and we also got PayPal integration where you can do that as well. So everything is already set up. You just plug people in. Anyone who joins through your link stays linked to you forever. Ever. Yes. Anytime they purchase a product inside the system. Again, remember, we're just getting started. We got a lot of stuff back there, but we're adding more and more every single week. And so anytime they buy anything, guess what? You get paid. When they purchase any of the products, outside SME Plus, anything, any of the courses, any of the quick fire funnels, some other stuff that we're going to be adding as well. Guess what? You're going to get paid. If you're saying, well, I'm not techie, that's probably the reason why you probably need this training. That's probably why you need to be a part of SME. First off, stop saying, stop it. Stop saying I'm not techie. Okay, just stop it. Here's why. Because things, and I say this all the time, it's not getting harder out here to do cool stuff in terms of marketing. It's actually getting easier. But I understand the overwhelm of it. I understand that there's so many tools, so many strategies and methods and ways of doing things. And I know it can get overwhelming, especially if you're just starting, especially if you're just beginning. Like, what do I do? Where do I go? What we're doing inside SME, even specifically AI Creator Bootcamp, is helping you to get through all that fog. And because a lot of it starts with marketing. It really, honestly, it starts with content. Not just any kind of content, the right type of content. And lucky for all of us, we got all these AI tools and resources. Now we all can create content at a high level like the pros do. And we could be a beginner. We could be day one and can make incredible videos, incredible images, and incredible marketing methods and strategies and Facebook posts and all that stuff day one. You just got to know what tools to use, and you got to understand the method of using them on how it relates to your business. Like I said earlier, I said it's not just about talking about AI. It's all kinds of things you can do with AI. I'm talking about it in relation to online marketing. That's how I'm talking about all this AI stuff, specifically when it comes to AI Creator Bootcamp. So, just thought I'd share that little insight. So we're in beta right now, and we'll be in beta for the next few months as well. Here's my wife. Like I said, we both got our lab coat on 24/7 almost, because we're constantly still coding, adding features, adding courses, adding all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so your next steps: sign up today. Simple. This will give you access to some really cool training and resources. Remember, it's free. So whoever sent you here, they'll have a link. Ask for hey, send me the link so I can at least create a free account. They'll send you a free account and you can sign up. Okay. You don't even need a credit card. You just need your name, your email, password, so you can log into the system. Okay. So, and make sure it's the right email so you can verify your account. You know how that stuff works. So, do that, and then you're in, and then you can see. You can check out the environment of it all and see how it all works here. And then, of course, once you're in, to maximize your commission. So if you're like, hey, well, I want to use this to make some money, smart move. Once you create your account, upgrade to SME Plus. Remember that now you're not just a member, consuming a lot of the content on the free end of it. Now you're an affiliate. So it's going to unlock some other features that you didn't have access to as a free member. Okay. So it's going to unlock that, and it's going to give you the ability and the license to now make money with the platform. So people that you're referring as they're buying courses and all that, guess what? You're getting paid. Okay. Instantly, by the way. So purchase AICB, definitely do that. So, create your account, upgrade to SME Plus, purchase AI Creator Bootcamp so you can make 80%. Now, you don't have to do this, but if you don't, you're only earning 30%. Make sense? But I always tell people, if you're gonna, it makes it. I mean, it just makes sense. Get in, learn, see what everything is all about. It just makes you more effective. Let me repeat that. It just makes you more effective. Okay, because now you can have stories. Hey, look, you can show people. Hey, look at what I learned how to do because I watched episode 14 last night, and man, let me tell you what. And people are gonna be like, what? How'd you do? What? Hey, I did it in this course. How much is it? $100. That's it. You just made $80. You can do it over and over and over and over again. That's how we've done it. Just because I've been sharing a lot of stuff that's in the course. That's just a marketing strategy, guys. I'm just saying. Hey, we're all adults. Hey, you mind me sharing some things that you guys show you how to really crush it in terms of marketing, especially if you're marketing digital products? Buy the product, okay? Go through a lot of the content, okay? It could be content that you're interested in. Doesn't have to be the whole thing. I'm just talking about content that you're interested in, okay? Some things that you see, you know what? Hey, I want to learn how to do that because that's going to work perfectly what I'm trying to do in my business. And I've been wondering how to do that. And here it is. Well, go through that training and then show people your result of actually doing that. And when they say, hey, how'd you learn that? You can show them, hey, I learned it in AI Creator Bootcamp. Or you can just say, hey, look at what I learned inside of this platform. Check out this image I just made. Check out this presentation, this video, whatever, and show people how it works. Sales over, and over again. That's how you win. Examples, showing people how things work. Remember how I was showing you some of the examples on my Facebook page? Guys, you know how many people that I've enrolled into this system just because I'm showing them what I'm doing on social media? It wasn't because I had a fancy sales funnel. It wasn't because I had a fancy message or something that I said perfectly in some direct message DM. It was because I said, hey, look at what I just did. And they're like, man, that's crazy. And inquiring about it. Well, hey, can you send me the link to that page? And next thing you know, ding, somebody just signing up. That's what we got here. That's what it's all about. And we show you how to do all that stuff. So I say all that to say this. Let me back up. Sign up. Went down a rabbit hole here. Sign up. It's free. Upgrade SME Plus. Okay. Then purchase AICB. At that point, you're set. Okay. If you want to make more money, definitely upgrade or just go straight, like you create your account. If you want to become a infinity, matter of fact, let me pull it up. So if you want to be let me pull up my account so I can show you really quick here. If you want to be a legacy member or maybe a infinity member, let me pull it up here. I'll show you. Here we go. So and we got a sale going on with these passes here. Remember, legacy is 600, infinity is 1,000. So if you come in, create your account, when you log in, you'll actually see this. Matter of fact, if I go to home here, you'll see this little banner right here at the top. Just click on that. That'll bring you to this page, and then you can choose whichever one that you want from here. Okay, if you're like, well, hey, I'm gonna just do legacy. You can do legacy, $600. Boom. Now you're set. Anytime you refer somebody at legacy, guess what? You're gonna earn a $300 commission. If you're at infinity, hey, you're just all in, and you're gonna even earn money on legacy. You're gonna earn money on all the courses instantly. I mean, you're all in. Okay. And again, these prices, I think the normal price for infinity, I think it's 25. Legacy, I think it's 15. I think so. Yeah. So these prices are going to be changing. So take advantage. We got a couple more days. We've been running this for a while, but definitely take advantage. That's how that works. And again, that's if you want to go all in with that. But if you're like, well, hey, I'm gonna just start with just AICB, great. The main thing is make moves so you can maximize your commission. Okay, that's the main thing. Make moves so you can maximize your commission and your knowledge. Because I'm just going to tell you straight up, I threw everything that I knew inside this course here. Okay, and there's still things that I can add to it. Okay, because there's just so much, but it's all structured perfectly so you can really get the biggest impact in your marketing. So get started now before you overthink it. And you know how we do. You know how we do things. We overthink things. You deserve this. So definitely take advantage of it. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't want to keep it. I know it's like, I don't know what time it is where you're at. It's like 8:39 here in Las Vegas. So if you're on the East Coast, like, what is that? 11:30? Yeah, I think it's like 11:39 on the East Coast and wherever you're watching around the world. But here in Vegas, it's only 8:30, so still fairly it's not super early, but it's not super late either. But hey, that's just my take. I just wanted to kind of give you a little insight about how it all works. I'm fired up about it. This is just the beginning. Take advantage of wherever you want to, but again, worst case scenario, hey, at least create a free account, get plugged into the Substack and all that stuff. Take advantage of the trainings that they're available, and just be a part of the community for sure. And again, you can do that SME4life.net/community. So it's so fun. I made a song about that today using some AI. Pretty cool stuff. I'm fired up. I'm excited about what's going on here, guys. We're just really just getting everything started. Nate says, love the system setup and value of the products inside. Yeah, Nate, hey, bro, this is just the beginning. I know we talked earlier and everything. We just got we still got a lot to finish out on this thing. Even though there's a lot of cool stuff and things are available, people are doing some pretty big things with it, even right now. But it's it's definitely going to be a work in progress in terms of just what we want to actually create. But right now it's available. People are getting access to the training. People are referring people. People are making money. People are learning. People are enjoying the platform. But again, like I say, it's just going to keep evolving. Every week is going to be new features, new bells and whistles, new trainings, different things, all that stuff. So I'm excited. We're going to be busy, but I'm having a good time.
All right, so now you know how the compensation plan works. That was just a bird's eye view of it. I'm going to come back and do an in-depth compensation plan review with Stephen doing that later on. But right now, I just wanted to get this out to you. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead on, click the link in the description to get started right now. You can reach out to me. My contact information will be above, or you can hit me up on Facebook. Just look for Richard E. Harrison on Facebook if I don't put the information in here. But go ahead on right now, click the link in the description, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment below if you're into AI. Let me know if you're into AI and you want to learn how to do it. So with that being said, click that link. I'll see you on the inside.